The testing process for a customized product like Tidal Wave is something that's very rigorous. Between multiple testing scenarios and making sure it works, seeing how the hair reacts, and the advantages of being an actual real hairstylist come in very, very handy. And as you can see in this video and some of the footage I'll be showing you, that a lot went into this. And the one advantage I feel like I do have is being a real actual professional. Nowadays, everyone has a hair product line. A lot of them haven't even spent a day as a hair professional, and that's what I want to share with you all today is my journey on creating my best-selling product, which is Tidal Wave. When I set out to create Tidal Wave, my goal was simple: to craft a sea salt spray that wasn't just another product on the shelf, but a solution for every hair type and style, from fine, straight hair to thick, curly textures. I've tested it all, ensuring it delivered volume, texture, and that effortlessly beachy look without compromising hair health. Now, during the testing phase, I focused on pliability and mostly durability. I wanted Tidal Wave to be flexible enough for multiple restyles throughout the day, yet strong enough to hold up in the most challenging conditions. After countless trials, reformulations, and feedback, I found the perfect balance: soft, touchable hold that lasts. The scent was another essential aspect. I knew that the fragrance, it had to be light, refreshing, and universally appealing, something that made you feel confident the moment you applied it and sprayed it. Of course, the spray had to be incredibly workable. Whether you're air drying, diffusing, or heat styling, Tidal Wave performs beautifully without stickiness or residue. Every product tells a story, and Tidal Wave is deeply connected to mine. Here in my studio, where every idea comes to life, I've built not just a brand, but a community. Hitting 1 million subscribers on YouTube was a milestone I'll never forget. It's a testament to the trust and loyalty of people like all of you who share my passion for hair and creativity, and plus watching all of my videos on a regular basis. My journey to perfecting Tidal Wave was driven by a commitment to lifelong learning, from certifications with top-tier colleges to immersing myself in the science behind hair care. Every step added layers of knowledge and passion to what Tidal Wave has become. I'm proud to say this isn't just a product, it's the culmination of years of education and experience, 30 plus years of being a professional hairstylist. But beyond the technicalities, Tidal Wave is fueled by my relentless drive and passion. I want to give people something special, something that works, no matter your hair type or routine. Tidal Wave isn't just my bestseller, it's a reflection of everything I believe in: quality, creativity, and the power of hair to transform how you feel. Tidal Wave started as a dream and many different trials, but today it's so much more. A product loved by thousands and trusted to deliver stunning results every time. Whether you're looking for texture, volume, or that signature beachy vibe, Tidal Wave is here for you. Thank you for being part of this journey. I can't wait to keep creating and innovating for you, just like my new sea salt hair powder called Beach House, something revolutionary, and I think honestly the first that's come to market, so definitely check that out. I'm Steven Marinaro, the Salon Guy, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Tidal Wave story in the comments below. You can also use code YouTube20 for 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.